Hey guys, Ed here, and in this quick video I would like to show you how to replace your taillight bulbs in the GMC Terrain. So let's start. First thing we're gonna do, we're gonna open the trunk, and first I'm gonna show you on this light here, and then if you have to change the light in the tailgate, that's what I'm gonna do next. So first thing, let's start. You have to grab a flathead screwdriver and remove these two covers, one and two. After that you should get a 10mm ratchet, a 10mm socket with a ratchet. So, and then remove these two screws, one and two. Now when you have the screws out, you should be able to pull out the light from the frame. This is a little bit tricky, so what I'm doing, I'm just usually okay, look, you don't want to move your light to the side, because you're gonna break a clip which holds inside. There are two clips, no, there are two pins actually, which are holding the light down. So it has to be straight out, straight towards yourself. So you don't move it to the left, okay, because you're gonna break it. Now what I'm doing, I'm putting one hand here, and with the other hand I'm wiggling the light, and with this hand I'm trying to push the light out. If it's not gonna work, I'll show you a different thing. Okay, I'm gonna show you right away. So if it's not working, then if you are very gentle, very gentle, you might take, for example, butter knife or a screwdriver and put it between the lamp and the frame, but it has to be very gentle. Put some duct tape over screwdriver so it doesn't scratch paint, and you can just little bit work yourself out with the screwdriver, just a little bit, because if you overforce it, you're gonna crack the light. First of all, you're gonna scratch paint here. Second of all, you're gonna crack the light and it's gonna have a hole in it. So first thing what you do, you just try to get it out without screwdriver. So with one hand I'm pulling it, with the other hand I'm just pushing here and trying to move it, okay, and wiggling at the same time. Okay, I was able to get it out without scratching nothing. Now once we're here, that's it. We just take our bulb, pull it out, take it off with your fingers, put the new bulb in. Some people say you have to use gloves when you do this. I'm not sure. You know, I don't believe it leaves some marks on the light and leaves less. I don't believe that, but some people say you do, so that's what you can do. So yeah, let's put this in. So again, take, for example, napkin, pull the bulb off, put the new bulb in, wiggle it in, move it till it's nice and solid, and then we have to align these two holes here with these two pins. Align it, and once it's aligned and everything's nice, you just tap on the light. There should be no gaps whatsoever. Nice. If you did everything correctly, these holes are also aligned, and that's where you put these two screws back in. So put two screws back in and cover with caps, and then we'll go to the top. Okay, so I'm done with this. Next step, to change lights in the lid, you have to take off, for example, this cover. You have covers on both sides, here and here. So we take a screwdriver, try not to scratch nothing, because this plastic is very brittle and you're gonna have some scratches if you overdo this. So find some loose spot and just get this lid out. Now after we have the lid out, we just locate our bulb here and spin it, take it out. Okay, same story. Remove the bulb, put the new bulb in, put it back in, spin it till it's nice and solid, and you are all set. Take your cover, put this thing here goes first, and then you just click it in. That's it. As you can see, it's super duper simple. Let's close this. Yeah. So yeah, guys, that's it. That's how you do this. As you can see, it's very simple. Okay guys, hope this helps. If it does, please press like button and have a great day. Bye.